Let's see what's behind these boxes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Those are so cool. So we got blue and we got green, and they're the Traxxis XRTs. How fast they go? 50 miles an hour.
50 miles?
Yeah, 50 miles per hour. I think they can even go 60 if you get the right gearing. But look at these. These are sick. River, which one's yours?
The blue one.
The blue one? Which one's Daddy's?
The blue one.
Are you ready to check? You ready to get in? You ready to get on it? Are you ready to go play with them on your track? Let's do it, bro. Okay, boys and girls, on today's River's Adventures, we're going to be playing with his RC cars on his track. Do a burnout. Okay. What happened? You wreck? Did you wreck? Let's go see. You landed it, dude.
How did I land?
I don't know. I guess you got skill.
I think I got skills on this.
You got skill, don't you? Here, do it again.
No, I don't want to do it again. I don't want to do that again.
Well, climb the hill right here. Okay, yeah, do that. Dude, that is so fast.
That was out.
Do it again. Hit right here. Oh, the big rig.
I did that thing you did that last time. Yeah, I got you. Dad, I hit the thing that
You hit that?
time, and I got a bigger jump and I hit this.
Good job. Good job, buddy.
Now, will you pick that up?
Yeah, I'll pick it up for you.
Dad, I want you to...
You gotta go a little faster.
No, I want you to try that wheelie at me.
Okay. Dude, that was cool. You gotta do it again. That was awesome. That was perfect. Here, come back. Dude, that was sick. Thanks, man.
Dad, can I do it one more time?
Yeah.
Man.
Oh, he landed it. Was that cool, dude?
That was a cartwheel.
Was it a cartwheel?
Yeah. Yeah, so I can jump the first time.
Dude, we just smacked a big bug.
That's a potato.
What is that?
That's Mr. Steven.
That's a horsefly. Run over the horsefly. Oh, you ran him over. Go, go. You ran over the horsefly, dude. Oh my goodness, do it again. Oh, you wrecked hard.
Dad, you should make this good.
Climb this side. Dude, that was sick.
Dad, come up here.
Oh, he's high centered. He's high centered. What are you going to do now? So what's up? This is Chipper.
Right here and jump it.
Right here?
No, right here.
Okay, right there. I'm going to jump it. Okay. He wrecked. Here we come, dude. Man down.
Dad, that was bad. Do not do that again.
Okay.
You go a little bit slower and you go fast.
Okay.
Do not do that.
You almost ran yourself over. Silly boy.
Oh my God. This ant's coming out.
That was a Willie Master? So you got skills. Oh, you about ran over your skills.
And you. I did wet master.
You did a whip master?
No, a wet master.
Oh, okay.
A gnat.
A night-night?
Yeah. I did gnat. What's a gnat?
That was a good one. I saw that.
Dad, you do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick this up, man.
Come on, dude. Use those muscles. There you go.
That made me go straight.
Oh, you wrecked. Oh, you landed it.
Dad, why we say
You landed it. It's your favorite one? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Okay. Almost landed it.
Dad, I don't want to land. But you want to land.
Minefield. You landed it. Come back over here and hit it, dude.
Oh, Dad.
What is it?
I see a spider right here.
You see a spider?
Yeah, look.
Where's he at?
He's right there.
Oh my goodness, look at that spider.
That hit where you find him.
You're crazy.
I ran over my dad.
River's king of the hill. What's the perfect spot at? Tell me where the perfect spot is. Over there?
No, it's right here. Yeah, you climb it.
Oh, okay. Show me with your truck. Oh, you're gonna get more speed.
Oh, that was helping jump.
Okay.
I'm going to pull it to the top. Dad, can you hold this still?
Yeah.
Can you hold this? Will you make it go for me? Dad, turn it for me.
There you go. Good job. All right, here you go. That's good.
No, I'm trying to do
You may give it some gas?
No,
I'll help you. I'll give you a little bit of gas.
no, I made it.
You made it, dude.
Dad, it's your turn.
It's my turn?
Yeah, I'm going to help you.
Okay. Give me thumbs up.
Dad, go.
My turn. I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas and you push. No, get behind it and push it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Push. All right, you did it. You got Daddy on top of the king of the hill.
Did
Hey.
you fail? Yeah, you fell.
I fell.
Yeah.
Oh, I landed it.
No, you did not jump.
You fell off the mountain. Here, give me your hand. Climb the mountain. Climb the mountain. Give me your hand. Run, jump. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Good job.
No, we finally made it.
Hey, give me 5, dude. Okay, so that's it for today's River's adventures on driving his RC cars. And we'd really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. That'd help us grow. We're trying to get some more subscribers. And so until next time, we'll see you later. Give them thumbs up, bro.